Hello guys, welcome to the reaction video called Bird Town News Original Animation, which is actually from PewDiePie Animation. Actually, this is kind of a comedy series, like you can see already down there. It says, Evidence of Cringe, The Invasion. Yeah, cringers now taking over the world. But let's see if this video, animation is. I hope it's pretty hilarious. It's part animation or it make a lot of comedy. So let's get started.
This is a Birdtown special report with Chip Chirpley. I'm Chip Chirpley. That's me. Yet another home has fallen from its tree, killing 3 birds inside.
Okay, this is kind of like Fox News, but it's kind of like furry version. Just birds. I like everyone's is bird. Like a crisis, like a fucking house just fell down. Sorry for that effort, but I kind of like the whole design. But whatever. Let's see. Continue.
This is the 7th home to fall in the past month, and all eyes are on construction workers. Out in the field with some birdhouse builder birds is Alan Tallinson.
Thanks, Chip. Do you feel responsible for the structure of these
This is really exactly how Fox News is.
houses collapsing?
And again, I was right. Everyone is a fucking bird because they're a furry.
We ain't done nothing but our job.
Whatever.
I swear it's those floozy mothers with like 20 kids just waiting to hold things down.
I just saw that building fall down. Man, I am...
Slutty birds. Riveting stuff, Alan. Could we get a word with a slutty bird?
I have a slutty bird right here.
Oh, she is a mother, but the bird will have eggs? Oh, so okay.
Here, Chip. Tell me, slut, do you think the sheer weight of eggs could be causing the falling house crisis for slut birds like yourself?
And another house, here goes. I just like staring at the camera. I have no idea what's going on.
Sounds like a hot debate.
Oh, I bet they... Okay.
Alan, let's get these 2 on the line and try to make sense of their arguments.
Oh, now you gotta listen to the argument was going on. Oh, they're kind of appearing, they're arguing each other, and they're kind of about to break up. Oh, okay. I think the furry stuff have been going from before, but whatever, let's continue. The whole debate is still same as the phone.
Well, I'm glad we worked that out. Back to you, Alan.
Okay, he just coughed and okay.
What have you got for us?
Thanks, Chip. Here I have a local seed shop owner. Ma'am, what do you think about the crisis?
All we really need are some more support beams and stronger rope hooks. We could petition the mayor to give the Builder-Birds extra funding, and they'll fix our little town right up. The mayor's a lovely man, so I'm sure he'd hear us out.
Yeah, huh? And how about you, old senile bird? F the mayor!
Oh, that guy is a way different reaction than the bird that just earlier. There's like Penny out there.
Riveting stuff, Alan.
Mayor to blame?
People really hate the mayor right now.
I did not expect that to see a random news reporter just get a call. I like the both sides rainbow.
Yes. Incredible. The mayor is now holding a public conference to address the crisis.
Oh, it looks very nervous. He's worried. He already knows that everyone hates him now.
What if we just lived on the ground?
Oh, they come out right in that right way.
Absolutely disgraceful. What do
To blame? Probably.
the birds out there think, Alan?
Well, let's find someone. Hey, you over there.
Oh, probably he's the one, like the man who set up a saw and just saw the fucking. Maybe he's the responsible.
Putting the support beams under that house. What do you think about the mayor's comments? A what? I don't think he's heard the comments yet. Sorry about that, Chip.
It's all good, Alan. Really riveting stuff. But that's all the time we have for this segment. Care to lead into the next bit, Alan?
Well, up next, we have a real riveting story.
Don't use that word, Alan.
Oh.
That's my word.
Up next on Birds.
So you was about to give him coffee, and he just went. It was about to have made its break, commercial break.
my word.
Up next on Birdtown News, foreshadowing. What is it, and does it ruin punchlines?
Oh, it fell down. So that was a kind of hilarious animation, and I have kind of a lot of questions right now. But this video is kind of hilarious, but just subscribe to Pi Animations. This kind of makes so amazing animation and kind of hilarious. So see you the next day or next week, but whatever. But I'm so sorry for not uploading any single thing, and for a long time. Okay, see you tomorrow, next week.